Hello friends, welcome to Superb Making Ideas. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a high quality dishwash liquid at home. Dishwash liquid is a chemical solution mainly used for cleaning of grease and food particles from our used dishes, which of course clean them very well within no time. And it's always less harmful for human skin as compared to other harsh chemicals. It is frequently a better choice as a household cleaner than dishwash bar. Dishwash liquid can be used for many purposes that does not involve any dishes. For cleaning outdoor furniture, degreasing kitchen appliances, it's an effective stain buster. For cleaning air conditioner filter, for cleaning hairbrush and combs, polishing jewelry back to its original shine, prevent glasses from fogging. What are the basic qualities of a high standard dishwash liquid? These are: it must be skin friendly, it must be transparent, it must have high power of grease cutting, it must be antibacterial. Let's know the making process of transparent, high quality, skin friendly and antibacterial dishwash. Before we move forward, it is requested to all the new viewers to please like and subscribe our channel so that you can get our latest uploads regarding a series of high quality formulations. Chemical required for making 1 liter of high quality transparent dishwash liquid are water 750 ml, acid slurry 100 grams, SLES 70% 50 grams, conditioner 34 grams, KD 17 grams, urea 10 grams, salt 3 grams, color 1 gram, fragrance 1 gram, formalin as a preservative 0.5 grams, caustic lye 33% 40 grams. The safety precautions are: use face mask, use safety goggles, use hand gloves, keep out of reach of children, and do not smell or taste any chemical. Let's know the chemicals. This is sulfonic acid or acid slurry. This is caustic lye. This is SLES or shampoo base. This is cocoa betaine or conditioner. This is KD. This is urea. This is salt. This is color. This is fragrance. Let's know the process of mixing. First take 750 ml of water, now add acid slurry in it. Mix well for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add caustic lye in this solution. Mix it very well. Now check the pH level of this solution. The normal pH for dishwash liquid is 7. Let's check out the pH level. The pH level is 7 on the pH scale, which means the solution is neutralized and will have no bad effect on our skin. Now add SLES solution. Mix it very well for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add urea. Mix it very well again. Now add conditioner for more skincare effect to your product. Mix well for 1 minute. Now add KD. Mix it well for 1 minute. Now add color in this solution and mix it again. Now add fragrance in this solution. I'm adding lemon fragrance. Mix well. Now add formalin as a preservator and antibacterial. Because of formalin, your product will be 100% antibacterial, and it will be preserved for many years. Mix formalin well in this solution. If you want more viscosity in your dishwash liquid, add 3 grams of salt in it. Your high quality, skin friendly antibacterial dishwash liquid is ready. It is once again requested to all the new viewers to please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.